In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a document library in SharePoint Online. Whether you've accidentally deleted an entire library or simply need to roll back some changes, I'll guide you through the various options available to you. Restoring a document library can mean a few different things. You might be looking to recover a library that's been completely deleted, roll back recent changes that include deleted, overwritten, or misplaced files, or bring back content from the recycle bin. Let's dive into the different methods of restoration in SharePoint Online that can help you achieve these goals. If you find yourself in the situation where the whole document library has been deleted, your first stop will be the recycle bin. Start by navigating to the SharePoint site where your library was originally hosted. At the top right corner, you'll find the gear icon. Click on that and select Site Contents. From there, you'll see an option for the recycle bin. In the recycle bin, search for the deleted document library. It'll appear just like other items that have been deleted. Once you spot it, select it and click Restore. This action should bring back the library along with all its contents to its original location. However, if you can't find the library in the initial view, scroll down to reach the second stage recycle bin. Keep in mind, only site collection administrators have access to this second stage bin. It's important to note that SharePoint retains items in these recycle bins for up to 93 days. After that period, those items may be permanently deleted, so it's best to keep timing in mind. Now, if your library hasn't been deleted, but you've made a series of unwanted changes that you'd like to undo, there's a convenient feature called Restore this library. This option allows you to roll back to a prior state of your choice. To access this feature, head to your document library in SharePoint Online, click the Settings gear, and choose the option labeled Restore this library. Please note, this feature is available only in the modern experience of SharePoint and is exclusive to libraries that haven't been completely deleted. Once you click on Restore this library, you'll enter a page where you can pick a restore point. You'll have options like selecting yesterday or picking a custom date and time. The interface will display recent activities, allowing you to see what changes have occurred. After deciding on your restore point, confirm your selection to initiate the process. This will undo any deletions, movements, and edits made since that point. During this restoration, the library might become read-only until the process is completed, so a little patience might be required. These straightforward methods ensure you have control over your SharePoint document libraries, making it easier to manage accidental deletions or unwanted changes. Whether you're retrieving something from the recycle bin or rolling back recent activities, these options will help you maintain the integrity of your data. Thanks for watching, and happy restoring!